push up towards that wall. Good, I like the video, he screams less. Good, good job, one more.
Oh, jeez.
One more. There we go. That's the subscapularis muscle, responsible for bringing down and throwing. Your dad's was strong today. Okay, ready? I want to do it again. 1, 2, 3, push. Good. Here. Good. Here. That one's off. There. Check again. Hold, walk, turn it, push. Good. Now real quick, move your eyes to the left. Don't let me pick your arm up again. Good. Push that foot down to the table. Good. Very slight. Move your hand over just in case. Push down. Good. Push down and move that way. Push again. Good. That's solid. Push here. Here. Good. Here. Good. Finger grip. Good. Here. Good. Here. Good. Here. Solid. Good. Here. Good. In here. Good. In here. Good. Down. Down. Bring this leg out. Push out. Out. Nice. Here. Push here. Good. Straighten your leg. Push here. Hurt a little. Don't work bad. Do that to make it better. Good. Push here. Good. Push here. Very solid. Push here. Straighten your leg. Here. 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 Sorry. All right, I'm sorry.
Gosh darn it. That doesn't.
That doesn't. Okay. Good. Good. And then a little like that. Down. No, just rest it. But heel on the table. Perfect. That's right there. Good. Leg down. Breathe. You know what's awesome though? Is the only muscle that he had off is the one he uses every single time.
Mm.
You have sheets in your truck, I think.
What?
Sheets. No?
I never took them home. Okay, face down for me. I need to read your chart. Were you hurting?
Sorry?
Were you hurting? Because you look good.
No, not really. I'm just kind of sore.
Okay, you've got like some, tune up for performance, but
That's good too, because he played a full tennis tournament this weekend, and to hold up during that is a great sign.
look at that. I mean, that's off a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Welcome to life. And he didn't have a single lower extremity laser.
Mm.
That's definitely better than the past 3 or 4 times I've seen him. That's what I expect. It should start to lose. There we go. play well? Just out of a tournament?
Pretty good. Got semifinals.
Nice. Is that tickling or hurting?
Not really either.
Okay.